Welcome to today's test drive on Big Data, Oracle Big Data, accessing NoSQL data from the Oracle database. I want to show you real quick how to launch this test drive so you can see what's involved and get you started as soon as possible. Just as an FYI, before you begin, you're going to need a VNC viewer of some sort. We suggest Real VNC. If you don't have that already on your PC, you're not going to get very far, so I'll give you that information just up front. You can download it if you just Google Real VNC. You can download a VNC client. You're going to be controlling a Linux session in doing this. Once you access the website and launch the test drive, your screen's going to look somewhat like this, where it says launching, and we tell you that we're going to be provisioning a Linux environment on the Amazon cloud. It takes a little while for this to start up. You're going to have direct control of this machine up in the Amazon cloud, so it takes a little while to provision it, and I'll pause this video as we go along as we wait for this stuff to start. You can see my environment starting in the gray box down at the bottom, and you can watch the video. If you click on this lab manual, we will open up a window that will take you through how to get at the whole test drive. This is going to tell you what to do to actually run the test drive as you run through this. So that's what you're going to get once you launch. For now, I'm going to just pause this video and wait for this thing to start up. We'll also send you an email with some password information, so you want to be checking your email periodically. Once you launch the test drive, you'll see that you'll get an email address with the information so that you can access the information with the, this is the IP address and the password is in that email, so then you'll be ready to actually launch the test drive. I'll warn you ahead of time that this is the information you need to launch VNC, but it may be that the VNC server is not started up. We'll go ahead and try it out now and see if this is far enough along. You can copy that and then launch VNC. That depends on your operating system, exactly how you launch VNC. I have a Windows 7 machine, so I'm going to launch VNC Viewer. I paste this in here with the IP address and try to connect to the box. If I then try to connect too early, it'll tell me that it hasn't started up yet, and I cannot connect up to VNC Viewer. I'll try and connect, and you'll get the instructions on how to actually complete the lab. You'll see in the, if you click on the lab manual, you can run that both inside the VM and outside. So I got to wait a little longer for that VM to start up. Okay, at this point, notice that when I try to connect now, it's been about 8 minutes since I started. Now I get a warning about it's an unencrypted connection, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my username and password. This password was emailed to you. And then we have the test drive running in VNC Viewer. This is what it looks like, and at this point I am able to use that test drive and able to run this. If your screen resolution doesn't support it, you can always make your window smaller and scroll through. With that, I'm going to go ahead and look and see what the first part of the test drive is. Now I'm on it. We show you we open up a terminal window for you. By the way, the instructions for the lab are available here. If you want to just open up Firefox within the VM, if that proves to be more useful for you, you can do so. We also have some information for you on the desktop that talks about this. But I'm going to go ahead and come back here and look at the instructions and look at the first part of this. We're going to then just make sure these environment variables exist. So I'm going to copy just the second one, for instance, echo $kv home. Try that out. I'm going to copy that in to VNC and see if I can paste that. Echo kv home. Everything's working great. At this point, you're going to just start up the VM. Part of it, go through the test drive, and part of that is starting up JDeveloper. You click on this coffee cup, and with that, I'll let you just get into doing the lab. Here are all the instructions. Look forward to hearing from you, and let you continue on. Thanks a lot, and if you need to know more about Valamis.com, we're at www.vlamis.com. Good luck. Thanks. Contact us.